Hello YouTube, this is Don from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with the project share. I was asked to be a guest designer for Coco and Reno for the month of March and April. And this video should have been up by now, but I was traveling and I had filmed 2 videos that I made for them. Went out of town thinking I was going to upload them and they were corrupt, so I had to wait to get back home to videotape them, and now I'm going to fly back out. So there'll be it for the month forward. But anyway, these are the dies that I show you. I showed them in the other video, but I show them in this one as well. So this is a $12.99 monthly subscription that you can cancel at any time, but the dies are exclusive and you want to go ahead and join so you can get them each month. These are the 2 border dies that it comes with. You have 2 smaller floral doily looking dies and the medium sized one. And I kind of call this like the spider web looking doily because of the spikes. And then the large doily, which you can see by the palm of my hand how large it is. So that's pretty cool. So you get all of these for the $12.99. And you can check them out on Instagram and on YT. And I will have their links below, of course. So what I did with this, I decided to make some bag toppers. And also some for the fronts for the decorative bags. I didn't have a chance to make the bags, but I did make the fronts to go onto a bag, which I will be making out of the same paper pad, which is out of the Amy Tangerine paper pad that I got from Tuesday morning, and it is the on a whim. So, and I used some enamel dots from Miss Sparkle, which is Joanne, some gold thread, and some ephemera from her ephemera pack that I got from Tuesday morning. And I think, and a couple dies. And the dies that I used one of the scallops out of here. I used this bicycle die, this rocket die, and I think that's it. Oh, and this trophy die. That one right there. So those additional dies that I used to make this project. So let me just jump right in and show you what I made. So with the large doily, I just kept it like this so I can put this onto a large bag. This is the OMG sticker that came from Tuesday morning, the sticker collection. I hate the way these things stuck. It's so gluey. The glue is like melty. It was weird. But anyway, this is the gold rosette from the background. This is the amusement park, and this is the red is the spiky or spiderweb looking doily, and of course that's the large doily in the background. Again, this would be attached to a bag. And that's the bicycle. That pink and the red are 2 different doilies, as well as the gold and the larger one in the background. And it just says Journey. So that trophy, of course, comes from the die. That friendship comes from Tim Holtz. And so does the word Journey comes from a Tim Holtz sticker book. And that green leaf comes from the ephemera pack. The black one is the doily, and the large one is the doily as well. And when I adhere these to some bags, I will show those in another video. So that red fly and a red scallop in the green doily, and then the large green in the back. That says fly, and that's just a rocket. And then I also made a couple bag toppers by taking the large die and folding it in half. I used the ephemera, and I punched out that leaf, and then in the back there's also this scallop circle. That's from the collection, and then some gold thread, and that would fit a 4 1/4 size bag. And this is a punch that says love. That's one of the scallops doilies, and then that doily cut in half, and some gold thread and some enamel dots. Here's that bike again, cut out in gold. So you have 2 of the doilies in the background there, as well as the largest one cut in, folded in half, and some gold thread. Nope, no thread on that one, sorry. And then this hustle comes from the ephemera pack. I took the letters out, backed it with red, used the border die, cut it in half to make it fit that, put that gold doily behind it, and then added some enamel dots. So hustle. So those were my projects this month using Coco and Reno's dies. I enjoyed using them. I think the dies cut like butter. They're very pretty, very creative. So follow them on Instagram here on the YT, and also subscribe to the monthly subscription. Thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.